Hello everyone, this is Jonathan with the High Tech Legion. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sidewinder X6 gaming keyboard. Now as you can see, we have the keyboard here already unboxed, and let's start with the physical features. From left to right with the whole thing, it is about 20.2 inches in length. Now in terms of from top to bottom here, it's about 9.22 inches. And now the one of the noticeable features on it already physically is the switchable keypad. Now so that means I can actually take the right side of this keyboard off. As you can see, it's taken off here, and now we're left with the keyboard that does not have much except what you need really. Now with the switchable keypad, we can put this portion onto either side, the left side or the right side, depending on your preference. Now next we will be going over the features of this keyboard. Okay, so I have the keyboard connected to my system right now, and I have actually one of the features on right now, which is the 2-color adjustable backlighting dial. What that means is basically you can adjust the brightness setting of the backlit lights. As you can see, it turning on and off. And then this is completely off, and this is completely on. Now notice that this orange part is what they mean by two different colors, a two color. And what I can do here is I can actually take out this one right here, which I explained earlier, and put it on the same side, and it will recognize as you see it turned off and turned back on. And one of the other neat features is the 3 profile modes that they have. Now if I press the profile gaming switch modes, which is located right here, I will show you that this changes color based on, this is the gaming mode. So the first mode really is a normal usage, you know, for your office, you know, using the web, that sort of thing. Now once you press the switch mode, it switches to orange. So now all these keys, the reason why they're all color coded the same is for gaming purposes. So these are all the macro keys available. And now next we have the game button. Now Microsoft has this button dedicated to the games folder in Windows Vista and Windows 7, and once you press it, it will bring up all the games that you have that can be logged in from the Windows account, and which is pretty neat. You know, you can get to your games quick. Next we have the auto run feature. Now this feature is pretty neat. You can just press the button while in game, and it will, you know, for MMO games, you know, like World of Warcraft, you know, you will auto run, you know, which is pretty useful. You can be doing something else in real life. Now as we go across the board, we have the standard layout, QWERTY layout, and we have the function buttons all across here, all across the top there, and they are a little bit smaller, but they do function just as well as any other board. Now next we can go to the multimedia buttons, which is located at the very top right here. These 4 buttons, the pause, play, previous, forward, and mute button. Now these all work very well. They're placed in a good spot. You get to them pretty easily. And also we have the volume dial, which does not stop, so you can actually keep turning it just with, unlike the brightness setting. So with the macro keys on this keyboard, on this Microsoft X6 keyboard, it has up to 30 keys that can be assigned for different things. Notice that it has the first set right here, all across from top to bottom. Now the switchable keypad can be used also for the rest of the keys. Now, you know, this is it has the assigned keys, so you know which one to press, and then including the calculator button is also a macro key. It can be assigned as one. And the neat feature about this is that each button has two different assigned keys. So what that means is that if you press this button, it will switch between the 1 and the 2, meaning the 1 is on the left side and the 2 is on the right side. So this is very neat. It lets you use a lot of features, and it's very convenient when you're gaming. You don't have to actually use this if you're not. You don't have to use this switchable keypad if you're only using, you know, if you're only using 12 buttons, you know, to do something. Okay, so this has just been an overview of the Microsoft Sidewinder X6 gaming keyboard. Please check out our website for the full review. Take care, guys.